Hey creative community, I am Mugsy. Hello and welcome to my art channel MugsyMakes. I am working on puzzle piece number 22. I used oil pastels. You can use Crayola crayons. And once I've covered the puzzle piece, I go ahead and paint over it with just black acrylic paint. You'll see me use my heat tool, and I am warming the crayon and then blending it a little bit more. It's actually quite fun to do. I was inspired by Crystal from Arted Out. Check her link out below. She's awesome. You guys, you really need to check her out if you don't already know her. She is so fun to watch and super creative. I haven't done this type of wax crayon art for quite some time. When my little sister and I were kids, we made t-shirts a few times for our camp that we went to. And one of the times we designed one that we used this method. I'll hunt around and see if we have a picture somewhere. So I've been working, getting my deck painted a little bit more. Also doing some photography work with my new light box that my sweetheart built me. I will put a photo up here. He's amazing. He can just build whatever I need. I'm also working on getting my gardening things going. I'm not doing a large garden this year, but I am doing a lot of my plants in pots. And then I have my flower garden that I need to ready for the summer. It's hard to stay inside and get work done when it's really nice outside. My dogs have been exhausted by the time the light fades from the sky. The best doggo days, and it's not even summer yet. Alright, you guys. I'm just scratching this off with a sharp tool. You can really use anything sharp to scratch off the paint. I really like how this turned out. I think if I would have let the paint cure overnight, that I would have had a cleaner line when I scratched off. But other than that, this was pretty easy to do. So give it a try. Alright, you guys. Well, I've decided in the middle of the night to start reorganizing my studio, so I am gonna get back to work. It's Friday today, so I will put this out and it should be up here by Friday morning. And then I'll see you guys next week. I hope everybody's having a great week. Into the weekend. And are feeling inspired and getting a lot done. Alright, you guys, I love your faces. Say hello in the comments down below. And have a great weekend, you guys. And remember, create something for the greater good. Bye.